Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to go over RE today and explain to you what you need to do. So, your learning intention today is I can list the qualities of water in the church. I will be successful if I can explain how water is life giving. So, God's creation, sacramental, and part of the church. Okay, so your RE today is we're talking about life giving, purifying, and the church. Three things. And these are special part of the church because water is very sacramental. Okay, so we look at water because it is life giving in many different ways. We use water to live, to drink, to keep us healthy. We use water in life giving because we need to water our plants for the plants to grow and give life to our earth. Okay, so they're just some of the things how water is important in a life giving way. Water is also purifying. Purifying meaning it is to cleanse ourselves. Okay, so how is water purifying for us? How is that important to us? Well, we cleanse ourselves by having a bath, by having a shower, by washing our clothes. They're just some examples, okay, of Carla listing of how water is purifying. Another important aspect of why water is important in the church is because we see water and we use water during baptism. Now, if you have been baptized, or when we looked over our baptism photos last week, you might have seen your parents or your godparents holding you in your arms, and they held you above and they poured the holy water on top of your head. Now, that's why water is also important to the church because we use water for baptism, but we also use water, holy water, when we enter the church and we put our hands in the holy water to do the sign of the cross. That's why that's important. Okay, so for this activity, what you are going to do is you are going to, at the top of your remote learning book, you're going to write the heading Qualities of Water in the Church. Okay, you are going to make a list underneath that heading, the three things we just spoke about: life-giving, purifying, and church. Okay. Underneath each heading, you're going to explain how water is important and the qualities of water. So, when we spoke about life giving, we spoke about it is life giving because we need water for plants to grow. We need water to drink and to live. So, you're going to list a few of those examples. Then, when we spoke about purifying, we know purifying is to cleanse ourselves, okay? So you might write some examples such as having a bath, washing our clothes, washing the dishes. They're examples how we cleanse water and use it for a good purpose. Then lucky last is the church. How do we use the qualities of water in the church? We use it for holy water. We use it as part of baptism. You may like to list any other examples we use the qualities of water in the church. Okay, I hope that was clear, boys and girls, and you have fun with your RE this week. Make sure you watch the video first where I've explained, and then begin following the instructions on this page. Amazing. Great job. Thank you.